So last night I went outside to take the trash out, and there's all these fire trucks. Wasn't sure what was going on, and I thought I was recording a video, but down the street there was a house on fire. So that sucks. I wasn't sure what house it was, but this morning I drove by it, and it was a house that when I was a kid the lady used to babysit me. So there's that. In this video we're going to continue with the AC, and we're going to replace the condenser fan. There's two 10mm bolts. You got the electrical plug right here, and it's pretty quite simple. You just unscrew those, disconnect that, and then you also have the AC connector down towards the bottom of the fan. Just unclip that and you can just pull the fan out. Here is a little rubber boot that slides into a little notch that is on the bottom of the radiator. You gotta have that rubber boot. Here's the new fan. Got it off of Amazon. There's a link in the description below. It was like 46 bucks. AutoZone, Pet Boys, O'Reilly's, they all had it for like $70. It looks like it's OEM quality. It looked like it was packaged really well. There's the little rubber boot that you're going to need to pull off to put onto the new one. There was this little metal, I don't even know what it was, little metal clip or a guide right here that had broke off. It seems like it's pretty useless, so I just kind of threw it away. Here's the rubber boot that you just smash back onto the new fan. It was pretty quite simple. The whole process didn't take very long at all. You just jam it back down in there. Make sure you reconnect all your connectors, the electrical plugs for the AC and the fan, obviously. The reason I'm doing the voiceover is because when I made this video I had a sinus infection, and so the audio quality was really bad because my voice was really messed up. I'm still kind of not there yet. Now it's mostly in my chest after it all drained out of my head. But so I probably won't post another video for a couple more days just because it wears me out really quick, and so not being able to breathe, I don't know, for some reason breathing out of your mouth wears you out. So if you don't see a video for the next couple days, this is why. The day of the recording, it was like 85-90 degrees outside, and so it actually cooled down pretty quickly, and so I feel like this really fixed the problem. I was able to get down to around 55 degrees, as you can see right here. So I took the heat shield off a while ago, and I think if I put that back on it'll help. But the problem is one of the mounting screws right here is broke, and that's basically why I took it off, because it was rattling. I could probably wrap it in some kind of the exhaust heat wrap or whatever it's called. But I don't know. I think that's probably what I'm going to have to do. It looks like I'm missing a nut on the manifold here. Overall, I'm pretty sure replacing the expansion valve really helped out with the AC. And then especially replacing the broken condenser fan just really helped with the temperature, lowering the temperature down. And again, I think if I wrap the exhaust right here, it'll also help with the temperatures on the condenser. That way the AC might even become colder. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please click the link below for the Amazon link to the fan. It's way cheaper. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you all in the next video.